Hi guys, I am back to give it to you hot. Yes, it's your girl. It's Iris Hick. It is Irene and I'm back with another content for you. If you're joining us for the first time, well, welcome and subscribe to our channel, please. Thank you. Okay, so last time I made a video on how to cover a chocolate drip cake and some persons were like, well, Irene, you showed us how to cover a cake, but guess what? I don't know how to bake a cake. Well, good news, I am back with the content to show you how to make a simple vanilla cake. And someone else might be thinking, and I've gotten a lot of persons come to me, I'm like, they're like, Irene, I know baking is all about using all those equipment, the ovens and all that. Is it really possible to bake a cake without an oven? Yes. Hello? Is it really possible to make a cake without a cake mixer and all these things? Oh my god, what am I here for? Yes, it's possible, and I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this without the stuff. So I'll be giving you guidelines on how to make a simple vanilla cake with everything or anything you can find around your environment. Okay, so stay tuned. Please, if you haven't subscribed, just subscribe before you just subscribe. Just subscribe now and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I post the video. You don't want to miss any of my videos, trust me. You don't want to miss sound. Oh yeah, let's go. So here with me I have a whisk, a bowl for mixing my margarine, because we'll be using margarine. It's already measured 250 grams. Butter is expensive, so we're going to be using margarine. I have my flour, my sugar, my egg, and measuring cups and spoon, baking powder, browning for color, and my vanilla flavor. So I'm going to be showing you how to use a measuring scale. These scales are very sensitive and it picks the slightest weight. So here it's important that you put your scale to 0 to get accurate measurements. So mine is at 0 and I'm going to be measuring my eggs. We need 250 grams measurement of egg here. And I'm just going to stop when it hits 250 or maybe slightly past. In this video you'll be seeing that my egg measurement will be more than 250. That's okay, it doesn't hurt having more eggs. So this was 258, but that's fine. So we're going to be measuring the baking powder. This is a measuring spoon. It comes together with the cups, so guys, you'd have to buy them. These measuring spoons and cups have measurements written on them. So this is 1 teaspoon of baking powder we are using. So I'll just go ahead to stir the baking powder together with the flour, and I prefer adding my flavor to eggs because personally I don't like the egg scent in my cakes, so I rather put flavors in my egg to overpower the smell of the egg. So we are going to be creaming our butter and our sugar. Guys, this takes time. It takes time, so you would have to get yourself ready. This is why technology is important. They made mixers to reduce the stress. So in this case where you don't have a mixer, you could just as well use your hands. If you see, it took a while. It took about 15 minutes. It took about 12 to 15 minutes. And if you look at this video, I was changing positions, so you can see here that the color of my butter and sugar is kept changing. You know, you want this is what it will make you have good results. The more you mix them, the color starts changing from yellow to something lighter to cream color, and it becomes fluffy. So I'm just going to be putting all the measurements in the description box. Measurement using a measuring scale and measurement using cups, whichever you could find your hands on. So this is what we want. It's fluffy. So I'm going to be adding in my eggs. So what we want to do here is to mix in between, get to alternate between liquid and dry. That's I divided my eggs into 3 portions using my eyes to gauge, and my flour as well. So if I mix in the egg and I put in the flour. After mixing, I put in the egg. So you want to always start with the liquid ingredients and end with the dry ingredients. So guys, give me a like, give me a thumbs up if you're finding this tutorial helpful. I think it will encourage me to know that you are actually taking interest in what I'm doing. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and turn on the notification bell. And you want to be careful not to over mix your batter, because flour has a protein called gluten protein, and gluten formation is needed in some baked goods or baked products and not needed in some. For example, your cookies, you don't need gluten formation. That's why making cookies, you hardly get to need them, because that you want it to melt in the mouth. But when you need, or if you over mix your flour, your cake is likely to have a very chewy texture, and we don't need that. Gluten formation is needed in things like bread. Yes, it's needed, but in cakes we don't need it. So you want to be careful not to over mix your batter, so that you can come up with a very good result of cake or good texture. So here is my browning. I'm going to be adding browning, about 1 teaspoon of browning. I love brown cakes, but browning is optional. It's just, it doesn't do much, it doesn't do anything, just a colorant. So if you prefer your cakes white, it's fine. If you can't lay hands on a brownie, yeah, it's fine. Yeah. So you want to go ahead to clean your surface. I just like cleaning my surface. So here we have a baking pan. Now if you can't find, if you don't have a baking pan, I think these stainless pans are common, especially in Africa, in Nigeria. It's common. You could just get one of these if you have these stainless pans. So I'm going to be using margarine to grease the surface of my pans. This greasing process helps prevent the cakes from sticking to the pan after baking. So I'm going to go ahead to dust my pans with flour, making sure that the flour goes round, it touches every part of the pan. Guys, you want to be careful not to overfill your baking pans, because when it gets baked, it will almost double its size and it might start pouring out of the pan. So that's why I had to use 2 pans here to prevent this. So guys, I'm actually heading outside to look for a stone for baking, for the stones to use. So I'll just check outside my gate, and if I can see some stones. Okay, I should have some stones around here. Okay, I see some stones. So we will just, okay, let me just show you the kind of stones we will be using. So I can actually see some stones here, and we need, okay, so stones as such, these are concrete stones. I think this is what they call them. We need this kind of stones, concrete stones. Just pick a few according to the size of your pots, okay? So I'll just go on and pick some more, search for more. Okay, see some here. There's more. Okay, yeah. There's more. I don't know if, like, yeah, okay, I think this should be visible enough. This is what we need, guys. This is just what we need. These stones, I think they call them concrete stones. Okay, I think we need more. We'll just go on and look for more. Okay, I can see more here. Yeah. Yeah, this can do. So here I'm using a pressure pot. If you don't have a pressure pot, just use whatever pot you have, but you put on some heavy object on the lid to ensure that the heat is completely sealed inside. So I'm going to preheat the pot for about 7 minutes, and then I will be baking my cake for 20 minutes. But you want to check after 15 minutes. Make sure you check your cake depending on the size of cake. After 15 minutes, check. If not, you close and bake again. Even after 20 minutes, if it's not done yet, you could still bake longer depending on the size of cake. So guys, if you're using the pressure pot, please close it, let it be sealed but not completely locked. Guys, it's been a very long time I actually practiced using baking without an oven, and Jesus Christ, I just opened my pot. The cake, the result is mind-blowing. Like, it's not fully done, but oh my god, let me just take it to the kitchen. Okay, I'm so excited. Like, I'm super excited. It came out way better than I thought. You have to try this. Please try it out and send me a picture, please. I'd love to see what you were able to create. Oh god, I've just used my one hand to open this pot. Just look at, oh my god, look at this. The result is better than I thought. It's been ages. Oh my god. It has we need little more time to, see that, so soft, so soft. Wow guys, you need to try this method out. The key, oh my god. Okay, so there's been an issue. Okay, so you want to be careful. I just got distracted for 1 second, no, for just a few minutes, and before you know it, the cake was already burning. So let me show you what we have here. So let's put in the second cake, although not bad anyway, still not bad, but so actually this is not bad, because I thought it burnt. I thought it got burnt, but it's not. It's actually okay and it's soft. Yeah, but I think personally, the way I love eating cakes, I love moist cake. This is moist, but I wouldn't have allowed it lose moisture more than this. So, but it's actually good. Just look at this. This is what you want. It's ready. Yeah, so you bake according to how you want it. My sister would even want it burnt but that's not for me. I love it moist. So, but I'm just going to be more careful with the next video. Okay. Ooh, okay, let's check out this one, see if it's ready. Using my hand. Oh Jesus Christ. Using one hand to open this pot is this is much better. This is much better. So all eyes, we're going to be observing this cake like kilo day, because this one will not dry out. This is what I want. Oh, come on. Come on. This is it. This is it. This is it. Oh my God. All eyes on this pot too. Me not going nowhere. I'm staying here. This one will not try out because, but this is way better. This is way better. This is way better than the previous one. Way softer, way moist, and yeah. So this is what we want. Still very much hot, and our stones are still intact. My pot didn't burn, so don't bother. It's not going to ruin your pot. It's not going to ruin your pot. No, no, no. This is what I wanted, and it's soft. And it's soft. Oh, it's hot, guys. Very hot, but this is good. It's soft and it's good, so better. You see, it didn't puff out and all that, so this is. So I just had to take a slice and let's see how the inside looks like. Oh, how cool is this? So soft. So guys, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Let's build the channel together. I'd love to know what else you'd love me to, bring to the table. Your wish is my command, so just tell me whatever you want me to do and I do it, if I can, actually. So thanks for watching, and see you again on my next video. Don't forget to practice, guys. Try out this method and send me a picture on the comment section. I'd love to see it. I'll be more than happy to see it. So bye.